On the night of June 12, 2021, what began as a celebration for Polo G's album release quickly descended into chaos when a traffic stop in Miami led to the rapper, his brother, his sister, and even some of his fans being taken into police custody.
We don't accept that in Miami. I don't know if you guys know that, so that's grounds to go to jail.
But only one person hit him, not everybody. So why my 16-year-old?
Because they all jumped out of the car, they all got rowdy with the officers. I get what you're saying, only one hit. But in the end, in total, it started a big crowd.
Yes.
We all had to respond.
Yes.
Disorderly conduct.
Yes.
We take you to jail. No matter 16 or anything, juvenile. So one's going to go to TGK and one's going to go to the juvenile, which is right down the street.
TGK is for Polo and everybody else, right?
And underage is the juvenile facility here.
And then juvenile facility. Come on now, you don't even need all of this for all these little ass kids. No,
how it came out.
Because they was black. You understand what I'm saying? This is a waste. This is intimidation. This is ridiculous. My story, Spike's story, and D. Russian's story. So that they don't fucking hurt my. Post that shit right now. Here, then there's no reason for them to still be here. They thinking that they got them in cars and they in harm's way. Leave and they won't motherfucking be here. Leilani.
Oh yeah.
That's her.
She's skinny.
Yeah.
With black on.
Hello.
Lord.
Relax. No, he's aggressive. He's being more aggressive with these situations. He just needs to chill the fuck out and let it happen.
Which one got dreads?
Don't leave it.
Who got dreads?
Black hat, right?
Yeah, black hat.
Black hat. Hi.
Hey. You talking about the one right there with the dreads? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to see. The one with the dreads. That's the one with.
Oh yeah, he's going to jail.
Okay.
We need some more units to make those people cross the street leave.
Oh, I got you. All right. Let me, because I was going to explain to the mom.
I'm taking one body to Central. You guys are on your own.
And they came back over here?
Yeah, she stays here.
Yeah. Oh Lord.
I got it.
Y'all listen. Tell everybody to get from over there. I'm trying to explain it nice as I can. Yeah, like I need them all. Like everybody needs to go back to their car. And I just need to talk to the mom.
You say you just need to talk to the mom.
Yes.
You the mom?
I am.
Could you have everybody else go back to the car?
Yeah.
Everybody back up. Everybody please back up. Everybody else back up.
Like if they could just send them back to the truck. Because that's not
That's not our truck. We don't know that.
okay. I just need to talk to the mom so everybody else can go. They can go to the hotel or anything.
Everybody else go. Loki, go. Somebody has to stay with her. I'm staying with her and security, please. Go.
You need something?
That's his father. What do you mean?
This is what I'm talking about. See? Let's go.
Get your people and leave. This is not right. You should leave.
You ready to start taking people to jail? You have to start taking people to jail.
That's what we should do.
across the street.
Subject to arrest. You.
They said we gotta stand on some lines.
I'm here.
Which way you want them to go, Vaughn? Which way you want them? That way? Okay. This is the mom. I'm gonna talk to the mom. This is the mom.
Ain't no talking.
This is the mom.
It does. Okay. Take the
Stand over here, ma'am. Come here. The mom right here.
This is the mom. You across the street. Ma'am. Across the street. Across the street.
So basically what happened, that's the father.
Hold on.
Okay, so this is worry about your child. Ma'am. Whatever.
Why are they detaining him?
I don't even know.
This is the mother right here. Both her sons are
Yeah, I'm trying to get her. No, I need to get her.
That's the mom.
Yeah,
Hey, mom.
tell mom to come this way.
Come there.
Just the
I need to know
mom.
what's going on with him.
Okay, we're gonna worry about the kid, your kids.
Okay.
All right.
That's
this
my brother.
I understand. Give me a second because they don't want you over here.
Okay.
Okay. How old are they?
My son is 22 and 16.
Okay. 22-year-old. Can I tell you anything about the 22-year-old? Because
I'm his
he's an
power of
adult.
attorney.
He's an adult.
I'm still his power of attorney.
I understand, but he's an adult, so I won't tell you anything about the 22-year-old. The 16-year-old, give me a second. I just need you to stand right here. We worried about the kids.
Okay.
Everybody else is an adult, okay? So your kid. Who had the 16-year-old?
I have no idea.
Who has the 16-year-old?
The female?
The guy, the 16-year-old. No, the child, the 16-year-old. Yeah, you guys do. Who has the 16-year-old?
Is it a boy or a girl?
3, they already transported? Okay.
It could be one of them.
Yeah. Mute. So, yeah, she's the mother of the 16-year-old.
I am able to legally see what's going on with my 16-year-old son.
Yeah, that's
Why
what-
can't I look at him?
I'm trying to tell you.
I'm not upset with you. It's the whole situation. I come in, I walk up and I say, I'm the mom. You walk across so you getting arrested. You can't tell me that when you got my minor.
Right. So what I had to do was verify the situation because remember, I didn't come here
But it
from the
wasn't you, it was them
beginning.
hunkies, them white motherfuckers. That's who it was.
We're gonna keep this professional on my end. So basically, why they're getting transported is apparently that it was a altercation between the police and them.
I saw.
So I guess they cut an officer off, but the situation may be they all jumped out. One of the individuals hit the officer. So yes, which caused all of us. So therefore, all of them got out of the car, being rowdy and stuff. That's disorderly conduct. We don't accept that in Miami. I don't know if you guys know that. So that's grounds to go to jail. So that's why they've been transferred.
But only one person hit him, not everybody. So why my 16-year-old?
Okay, so like I said,
you know what I'm saying? Like,
because they all jumped out of the car, they all got rowdy with the officers. I get what you're saying, only one hit, but in the end, in total, it started a big crowd.
yes.
We all had to respond.
Yes.
Disorderly conduct.
Yes.
We take you to jail. No matter 16 or anything,
No, I
juvenile. So
understand.
that's the reason why. For the reason of here is again disorderly conduct.
Okay.
If we cannot control our crowds and people are continuously going around,
Can I look at my son, my baby?
your son is already transported to.
My 16-year-old. He's still in
They
there.
all gone. They all gone.
Where are they?
At the City of Miami Police
Tell
Department.
me where that is, please.
400 Northwest 2nd Avenue.
I'm sorry, 1 second. And I appreciate you talking to me. 400 West,
No, 400 Northwest
400 Northwest,
2nd Avenue.
2nd Avenue.
0.7 miles away.
Yeah, it's just right here. No, not. You said how many miles?
It's at 0.7.
Yeah, okay, so it's right there. Again, you're not going to be able to see him right now.
No, I know it's processed.
But they'll
like
give
10
you the
hours, blah, blah,
information.
blah, and all
The
that.
reason that
But
your
what about
brother-
my 16-year-old? Because at the end of the day, I
Your
should be able to go and get
16-year-old?
him.
when he goes to the juvenile, you will be able to go get
So
him.
it's another place?
So they separate. Adults and juveniles
shit.
don't go.
What's the
No,
juvenile?
they're both at that station,
And
but
then
then they're
what
going to
happens?
separate them.
So where is
one's
that
going to
once
go to
they separate?
TGK, and one's going to go to the juvenile, which is right down the street.
TGK is
Yeah.
for Polo and everybody else, right?
And underage is the juvenile facility here.
And then juvenile facility.
Yeah. The reason that everybody else went to jail is, like I told you, we don't allow the disorderly conduct. That's why I was trying to tell you, at least me talking to you, you're the calm one. They're not. You could tell them to calm down. They weren't calming down. Listen, in order for us to get the crowd, we eliminate the problem. And the problem was him and her.
Can I talk to my brother and to her and let them know that it'll be okay? I can't.
I'll explain it to him. The sergeant and lieutenant is not going for it right now.
Who is the sergeant and lieutenant on duty?
It's the multiple sergeants.
I only need one because I asked to speak to one several times and
That's why I pointed to you. He was right here.
But he didn't. I asked to speak to him and he would. I asked several times to speak to a sergeant.
Well, I can get you a sergeant if you want
Can
one
you
now.
please?
Okay. And then, like I said, I'll explain it to them and I'll explain to them, like I tell you, like why they're going. But that's why I was, explaining, like move the car and stuff because it's already too much.
Right.
And now it's zero tolerance.
You see this?
So
Come on now, you don't even need all of this for all these little ass kids. You didn't say it was a gun. You didn't say it was a fucking. It's for somebody to hit. Look at this shit. This is ridiculous.
Yeah.
This is
But
ridiculous.
like I said, the reason why
This
they
is
did it
fucking
is
ridiculous.
because
how
it came out.
Plus, it was black.
The cameras, the people, they
Yeah.
see it in the station. So that's the only reason why we're all here. So if they can't calm them down,
Because even if it was at the station, 1 car, 2 car, understand, this is a waste of motherfucking money. Because at the end of the day, ain't none of these motherfuckers doing nothing. It only took 1 car worth of people to fucking get it secure. You understand what I'm saying? This is a waste. This is intimidation. This is ridiculous. This
So
is
you
ridiculous.
still want a sergeant?
Yes, I do.
All right.
I absolutely do.
1 second. Sergeant Kirkland. The mother would like to talk to you. I said, muting reference talking to the Sarge. I said, the mother would like to talk to the Sarge.
But I need it to be inside of the media so that they don't fucking hurt my sons. My story, Spice story, and D. Russian story so that they don't fucking hurt my kids. Post that shit right now. Thank you.
She's coming. She's gonna come talk to you. And this is what I'm talking about. It's gonna be, they're not gonna continuously let her do it. I don't know. No, I don't think so. I think it was the bystanders that were acting up. Because everybody I believe that you went with, they went that way.
Yeah, they got somebody else.
Because if they a motherfucking leave, if my son's not right here, why y'all still inside the street doing all this? You antagonizing the situation because if y'all leave and it's like they not here, then there's no reason for them to still be here. They thinking that they got them in cars and they in harm's way. Leave and they won't motherfucking be here. Simple. Could you see if that's my daughter? Leilani.
Oh, yeah.
That's her?
She's skinny
Yeah.
with black on.
Hello?
Oh, Lord.
All right.
Look, Sasha! Look, Sasha! Look at this, Sasha! Do you
Because
see
you're doing
this?
too much.
They broke my bracelet and I didn't even do nothing. My chain is attached to the car.
Okay,
This
relax.
would never happen in the city of Chicago. Bro, this shit is bogus. And you, I swear to God, if my bracelet is gone, I'm gonna beat. Ow, it's hurting my wrist. I weigh 110 pounds and they hurting my
All
wrist.
we're asking you to do is
Okay, but you're hurting my wrist. Like, my wrist and my bracelet is right here and I feel it.
So you gotta
And
tighten
y'all,
this some
it's
more.
pissing me off. This is bogus. This is so bogus. We ain't doing nothing to y'all. And y'all aggressively treating us, discriminating the hell out of us. I want, Stacia, can you make sure my phone, can you grab my phone right here, please?
All right, relax. Okay.
No, can you please grab my phone, Stacia?
This with her stuff? Yeah, where's the bag?
Can you put my phone in my bag? I want to see it in my bag. No, I want to see my phone in my bag.
Oh,
have the record meet them there.
Where's Sergeant Kirkland at?
Hey, where's your car?
Right there. Sergeant Kirkland? Yeah, Sergeant Kirkland was coming to talk to him.
Well, I'm not waiting about the tire. Same place. Yeah, they told me already what you were going to do. Yeah, you were addressing and address out. I'm going to wait.
Somebody on the phone?
You need to calm down. That's what you need to do. Because at the end of the day, you need to literally relax and let it happen like the way. Of course,
I doubt it.
No. He already made it to the station.
No, he's aggressive. He's being more aggressive with the situation. He just needs to chill the fuck out and let it happen. Because as long as he's safe, but it's nothing that you could do at this point. I know. Okay. No, the police is letting
Now, with newly surfaced footage revealing crucial details about the incident, including the real reason behind the stop, the narrative surrounding that night is beginning to shift in unexpected ways.
Where is she?